Hello from the Bureau with the latest update on the heatwave conditions that continue to affect eastern parts of Australia. Looking at the 3-day heatwave forecast through Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, the area of focus really is northeast New South Wales into southeast Queensland. Extending that through Thursday, Friday and Saturday, fairly similar area but extending a little further north into the central parts of the Queensland coastal regions. That's for severe to extreme heat waves through that period. Let's take a look at what's driving this ongoing heat. Looking at the temperature forecast for the afternoon periods, we can really see a lot of hot air right through central and southern parts of the continent. The thing to watch over the coming days is the strength of the southerly changes that start to move their way up eastern parts of Australia. The first of these we can actually see here Tuesday afternoon having an influence on Victoria, starting to bring relief from the heat through these areas. Into Wednesday, that change brings relief into southern New South Wales, and in the afternoon periods we can see it here starting to influence the central parts of the New South Wales coastline, including Sydney. However, into Thursday afternoon we see that change is relatively weak, and so because of that it stalls through the northeast New South Wales, southeast Queensland coastline, doesn't really bring much relief from this heat in those areas. Heading into Friday, the winds return to the north, and so that means ongoing heat through both coastal and inland areas. Humidity also starts to increase through these periods, meaning the nights are going to be warmer, adding to the feel of uncomfortableness through this period. The next change is on Saturday, and ahead of that showers and storms will start to develop again. This change is a little stronger, sweeping up the New South Wales coastline and into southeast Queensland, bringing temperatures back down to more what we'd normally expect for this time of year. However, most of the effects of this change are going to be fairly confined to the coast, and the hot air will remain over the inland, so it doesn't mean much respite for those areas. So just how hot will it be over the coming days? The temperatures really show that relief's on the way on Wednesday for Sydney. However, further north into Queensland, there's no relief from these heatwave conditions, with hot days and nights right through until Saturday. And for inland parts of Queensland, no relief from the heat for the coming 5 days. So as this hot weather continues, now's the time to plan how you're going to beat the heat, stay cool and hydrated. For all the latest information on heatwaves, use the Bureau's website, get your latest temperatures from the BOM weather app, and you can also follow us on Twitter.